What's up, my pickleball friends? This is Pickleball Ace. Let's do a quick unboxing of the new paddle that I have. Of course, I got it from Spinwave Pickleball out of Great Neck, New York. And this is the bread and butter LOCO. So just by holding it, I'm expecting the bread and butter box, but it feels like they took out the box and just sent me the paddle. Yikes, I wanted the box real bad. But anyways, let's do this. Spinwave, you owe me the box. All right, here we go. So this is the elongated. It came with this. Just the bubble wrap. Of course, the LOCO. There's the LOCO. Bring the smoke. Ta-da-da! Yes, sir. I don't know if you guys, did your LOCO come with a box? This is the elongated one. I like elongated. I'm used to the elongated versions. Bread and butter. And I think there's a few more things. I'm not sure. Well, just a receipt and a free ball. I'm kind of disappointed with the unboxing because I expected the box with all the good things in there. But hey, bread and butter, come on. Send me the... It didn't come with anything else. Please send me the goodies. Please. Alright, watch for the next video as I take this to court this weekend, okay? Alright, ciao. Thank you. Hang loose.